Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the net worth of Bread Financial. But before we get into the numbers, let's take a step back and talk about what Bread Financial actually is. For those who aren't familiar, Bread Financial is a leading provider of financial services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto financing. The company was founded in 1996 and is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. So, now that we have a better understanding of what Bread Financial does, let's get to the question at hand. What is the net worth of Bread Financial? As of January 5, 2025, the net worth of Bread Financial is approximately $3.08 billion. This is based on the company's current market capitalization, which is the total value of all its outstanding shares of stock. Now, it's important to note that net worth is just one way to measure a company's financial health. Other factors, such as revenue, profit, and debt, also play a role. With that in mind, let's take a look at some of the other financial metrics for Bread Financial. Revenue. Bread Financial's revenue has been on the rise in recent years. In 2024, the company reported $3.93 billion in revenue, an increase of 11% from the previous year. Profit. Bread Financial is also profitable. In 2024, the company reported net income of $2.14 billion, an increase of 15% from the previous year. Debt. Bread Financial has a relatively low level of debt. As of December 31, 2024, the company's total debt was $10.20 billion. Overall, Bread Financial appears to be in a strong financial position. The company has a healthy balance sheet, strong growth prospects, and a history of profitability. So, there you have it. The net worth of Bread Financial is approximately $3.08 billion. I hope this information has been helpful. In addition to the information I've shared, I would also encourage you to do your own research on Bread Financial. There are many resources available online that can provide you with more information about the company's financial performance and prospects. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay safe and healthy.